Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm unboxing for you my SCT October 2021 sampler, and I'm just going to take it all out of the package here, let you see. So the theme for this month is a simple hello can lead to a million special things. And this outlines the products here. So we do have a feature of Bungalow Lane by Paige Evans. I absolutely love Paige Evans. She is so inspirational to me. I'll never forget the first time I took a class from her, and it was through the Crop and Create, which is right there, in-person events that we used to be able to go to. There's all the papers. Oh, there they are hiding in there. So yeah, in-person events that we used to be able to go to. And the first time I saw her work, I was just so blown away by the detail, the hand stitching, the layering, the fussy cutting. She speaks my language. She taught classes that didn't have any measurements, that were just like, here's an idea, let's create. And I absolutely was so inspired by her. So here is a beautiful fall collection that I am going to use all of these to complete another project that I'm working on, inspired by Paige Evans, and that is my October daily. I had been thinking about doing one for a while. Originally, Serena B was very inspirational. I always loved her October dailies, and I just took some beautiful Thanksgiving pictures, and these are what I am going to use to decorate. So I love these sort of like 3D kind of stickers, these gorgeous crepe paper flowers that you can fluff up, this fun tree photo. Oh, now this is a happy and sad little story here. This is Paige Evans' cat Rachel, and the sad part is Rachel just passed away, but the happy part is that she is forever sort of encapsulated now in a sticker, and I think she's in some of the papers or ephemera, so as well as their dog. So that's nice that they have this cat. I will think of Paige when I put that in on one of my albums. Pure happiness. There's the acrylic word hello, and then we always get a stamp, and this is from Fawn, and it just says dream, and it has those beautiful feathers. So that's a gorgeous little stamp. And I showed you this card. That's lovely that comes already as part of the kit. And then lastly are some watercolor papers, and let's see who these are from. Oh, they're also from Fawn. Okay. And let's have a look here. So we've got, I love these, the effects of the watercolors here. Just beautiful. Those will be great layering pieces and background pages. I really do like those. So yeah, so I am going to create some pages in my October daily, and then I'll be back. Okay, I am back with my 2021 October daily, October occasionally, whichever you want to call it. And I have used the sampler to create the layouts for my holiday Thanksgiving celebrations. So this is what I have left of the kit. I still haven't used the stamps or the hello, and I've got a couple pages, but I'm definitely happy with the way that everything turned out here. I have used the 3D stickers and some of the papers to just create this small little 4x4 layout here. I have created this fun little pocket for a tag, and I've been using these consistently for the date. This was the 11th for our Thanksgiving dinner, and we got together with the cousins and we had a really lovely dinner. And we had so many pictures that what I decided to do was to create a little vellum pocket and have some tags on the inside. So that's what the pocket looks like there. And here are a couple of tags from our dinner. And those are just tucked in right there. And then they have journaling on the back actually as well. So I've journaled. It's also our wedding anniversary on October 11th, which is just so perfect to have a wedding anniversary around Thanksgiving, because you're so thankful and mindful about all of the things to be grateful for. And here's a another layout that I did. I fussy cut some of these leaves. I had taken my dog for a walk. This was on the next day here, probably right there. I'm just trying to think if I haven't put the date on this one yet. So I'll have to, I have lots of other pictures from this outing that we went on. So I think I'll have to create something with the date on it to go in here. But I just wanted to show you what I've used the sampler for, so you can see the whole layout that's been created there with this fun set of papers. So I like tore a bunch of papers. Oh yeah, this is the other page. So this is where I have to put the date, because that wasn't the 11th. This was the 12th. There we go there. So yeah, so that is what I've been working on with my sampler. I just wanted to show you something a little different. And again, I still have lots of materials left. This was a perfect combination to use the Bungalow Lane collection from Paige Evans. Even more perfect because she's the one who inspired me to create an October daily this year. I've seen her do these gorgeous 4x4 albums every year, and I really wanted to create one as well. So that's what that's all starting to look like, and I'm impressed with myself that I've managed to be able to keep it all into one album. I'm trying to not fill it up with lots of pictures and only do like a very little bit per day, so that it just captures everything a little bit each day, but not crazy like my December dailies can be. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, I'd love to have you here. I post all sorts of scrapbook, card making, unboxing, happy mail, you name it. Anything paper crafty. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again next time.